Hello everyone, Karan here from TechRifs and you're watching my review of the Anti-Sports H550W gaming headphones. Now these are USB powered headphones, so these are not 3.5 jack enabled headphones, and this is quite a budget friendly headphone. So just let's look around the box what all is mentioned. You get like a free coupon inside. This is of course sponsored by World of Warship, and it says that it comes with a 50 millimeter driver and it has true HD audio and 7.1 surround sound. I'll take that with a pinch of salt. I don't know how much that is. Then it's got multicolor illumination. It basically covers this whole area, and it says it's got deep bass, and of course it is USB enabled. Specification once more: 50 millimeter speaker size, and the price is also mentioned over here at 5,000. Well, I mean, the price is much lesser than that, to be honest. It's barely 1500 rupees or slightly on the lesser side. So let's do like a quick unboxing. I have already unboxed this, so you can see it's already open, but for the heck of it, let's just open it once more. So this is actually what came in the box. So this whole thing comes open, then you have these headphones that come out, and then you had these two leaflets. One is this one, basically to redeem some points at World at Warcraft, and basically how you'd connect this to your system. So nothing much actually. So let's put this to the side. So these headphones, they are available on Amazon to purchase, and you can easily get from there. So let's just look at the quality of the cable first. So this is quite a big dongle, you can say, actually, for the USB. So I'm hoping that it will be quite good. It's not gold plated or anything, but still. And the cable in itself is quite thick. It's made out of rubberized material, and it feels flexible, like it would not fold, or it would not crumble. It's quite a long cable actually, so it can get a little bit messy from time to time. So having this keep it tied together, this is quite important. Let's look at the headphone. The headphones are in itself, hold on, let me just turn on to the wide angle. Okay, so the headphones in itself are very lightweight, I'll say. They would feel very comfortable in your head, and there's decent padding. I would say the padding is not very firm, so I don't know how much it will hold in the long run. And not a huge fan of the color theme, red and black, but that is the default gaming theme. But I prefer something more neutral. So over here you get these adjustable bands over here that will rest in your head, hopefully giving you lesser pressure and being able to wear this for a much longer duration. All right, and yeah, this is the microphone over here. It is a fixed piece. Okay, let's just look at it further. So guys, here I am wearing these headphones. As you can see, these are quite big actually. They're round and they're quite big. Very comfortable on the head. I don't feel any pressure thanks to this function over here. It's quite comfortable, and yeah, as you can see, there is a certain amount of light over here. It's not customizable in any way. At least that's not what I think. If it is, please do let me know in the comment section down below. I haven't done too much of research on this, and it's connected via USB to my laptop. And yeah, this is the mic, as you can see over here. And let's do a little bit of gaming, and let me tell you how my experience is during that entire gaming time. While the game is loading, one thing that I can notice is the fan is spinning out of control absolutely. Just give you an idea. So over here, the fan is really spinning out of control. but when I have put these headphones on, I really can't hear anything at all, and the audio hasn't started playing, and I haven't started playing the game till now. The fan, I've put it at max speed, so at around 6200 RPM, which is quite a lot for dual fans. And yeah, we will be starting with the gameplay, and let's see how that actually happens. I started playing Red Dead Redemption 2. It is my favorite game. Let me just show that to you. I am playing Red Dead Redemption 2 over here, and let me tell you about a little bit about my experience over here. So, as I'm playing Red Dead Redemption over here, let me just yeah. Now you can see that clearly. So, I feel that the sound could be slightly more louder. I feel that the sound is playing roughly at 60 to 70%. I don't know if that has something to do with the audio levels, but I have seen everywhere that I have turned the audio level to full. Let me do like a gunshot thing, because the gunshots are really awesome and they're very well represented in this game. Oh, okay, so there's a lot of audio separation in that, and that is shown very effectively. The gunshots part, I just feel that the audio level is kind of on the lower side. I'll say around it's 70% of what it should be. Uh, this is not the best for listening to music, because I was listening to some music within the game and it didn't feel the best. So, not the best when it comes to listening to music. But definitely the gunshots are very realistic over here. And I'm able to feel audio separation. So when the person is breathing from the left, I can hear him, breathe from there. And there's something banging on the right hand side, and I can feel that banging going on the right hand side. So that's like just amazing level of separation. So, in terms of audio separation, if that is something that you want, then this is great to have. If you want very loud level of audio, probably not the best. It's very comfortable to wear. Doesn't cost too much. It's only 1500 from And Esports, and this is something that you can consider. And the good thing is, it isolates the fan noise that is coming. It muffles the other sounds, but the fan noise, it completely dampens it. So, thumbs up for that. It does what a gaming headphone should do. I would have liked it to be a little bit more louder. That's my only complaint actually. But yeah, that is mostly from my side. If you have anything more to ask from me about these headphones, let me know. The links are in the description to buy these headphones from where you can get it for the best price. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. See you in the next one. Peace.